Understanding and diagnosing a failing crankshaft position sensor. What is a crankshaft position sensor? Your engine wouldn't run properly without the crankshaft position sensor, CPS. This sensor is essential because it's responsible for tracking the exact position and rotational speed, RPM, of the crankshaft. But what exactly is a crankshaft? The crankshaft is a highly engineered metal component, approximately 2 feet long, located inside your engine and directly connected to the pistons. As the pistons move up and down, generating immense linear power, the crankshaft converts this motion into rotational force. This rotational energy is then transmitted to other key components, ensuring the entire engine operates smoothly. In modern vehicles, the crankshaft position sensor plays a crucial role in engine performance. It transmits real-time data to the engine control unit, ECU, helping to regulate fuel injection, ignition timing, RPM, and overall engine function. However, if the sensor fails, it can lead to severe drivability issues. In this guide, we will explore the common symptoms of a failing crankshaft position sensor, how to test it, and what steps to take if it needs replacement. Symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. 1. Unusual exhaust smell. A failing crankshaft position sensor can disrupt engine timing, leading to incomplete combustion. This allows unburned fuel to enter the exhaust system, producing a strong, foul smell resembling sulfur or raw gasoline. If left unchecked, this issue can damage the catalytic converter, resulting in costly repairs. Excessive unburned fuel in the exhaust system can also lead to higher emissions, potentially causing your vehicle to fail an emissions test. 2. Decreased fuel efficiency. The CPS is responsible for maintaining precise fuel injection and ignition timing. When it malfunctions, fuel delivery becomes erratic, leading to poor combustion and increased fuel consumption. As a result, your vehicle burns more fuel than necessary, reducing miles per gallon, MPG, and increasing running costs. If you notice a significant drop in fuel economy, it's crucial to check for underlying issues, including a faulty CPS. 3. Rough idling. A defective crankshaft position sensor sends incorrect signals to the ECU, affecting engine timing and the fuel-air mixture. This often results in rough idling, with RPM fluctuations and a noticeable vibration while the vehicle is in park or at a stoplight. Rough idling can also lead to increased wear and tear on engine components, potentially shortening the lifespan of your vehicle's engine. 4. Engine misfires. The CPS provides real-time data on the crankshaft's position. If the sensor fails, it may send erratic or no signals at all, causing improper firing sequences. This leads to cylinder misfires, which are particularly noticeable during acceleration or at higher RPMs. Repeated misfires can cause further engine damage, including excessive carbon buildup in the combustion chambers and premature wear on the spark plugs. 5. Delayed or hesitant acceleration. When the CPS is unable to relay accurate crankshaft position data, the ECU struggles to synchronize spark timing and fuel delivery. This results in poor throttle response, hesitation, and sluggish acceleration. Delayed acceleration can be especially problematic when merging onto highways or attempting to overtake another vehicle, as it reduces your ability to respond quickly to changing traffic conditions. 6. Difficulty starting the engine. A failing crankshaft position sensor may cause the ECU to receive irregular or absent RPM signals. Initially, this may cause difficulty in starting the engine. If the issue progresses, the vehicle may fail to start altogether. However, keep in mind that similar symptoms can also arise from wiring or electrical circuit problems. If your vehicle cranks but won't start, it's worth checking for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. 7. Engine stalling. Unexpected engine stalling is a dangerous symptom of a failing CPS. The engine can shut off at any speed, posing a serious safety hazard, especially in traffic. If your vehicle frequently stalls or struggles to maintain idle, the CPS may be the cause. Stalling at higher speeds can lead to loss of power steering and braking assist, making it difficult to control the vehicle. 8. Check engine light, CEL, illumination. A defective crankshaft position sensor can trigger the check engine light. In some cases, the sensor may overheat and fail intermittently, causing the CEL to turn on and off. If the light remains illuminated, performing an OBD2 scan can help diagnose the issue. Many auto parts stores offer free diagnostics, but having your own OBD2 scanner can be helpful for troubleshooting. 9. Erratic RPM readings. Since the CPS monitors the crankshaft's rotational speed, a faulty sensor may send inconsistent data to the ECU. You may notice sudden spikes or drops in RPM, even when the vehicle is at a steady speed or idling. 10. Transmission problems. Since the ECU relies on crankshaft position data to synchronize engine performance with transmission shifting, a faulty sensor can lead to rough or erratic shifting. You may experience hard gear changes, delayed shifts, or slipping gears. 11. Sudden power loss. A failing CPS can cause the ECU to receive incorrect or no data, leading to sudden loss of power while driving. This can be particularly dangerous on highways or in heavy traffic, where a sudden lack of power can lead to an accident. 12. Overheating issues. If the CPS fails and disrupts engine timing, it can cause the engine to run inefficiently, leading to excessive heat buildup. This may result in engine overheating, increased coolant temperature, or even head gasket failure over time. 13. Engine vibrations. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can cause engine imbalance, leading to excessive vibrations during idle and acceleration. These vibrations may worsen over time and affect overall engine longevity and component wear. 14. Poor performance under load. When the CPS fails, the engine may struggle to maintain power under heavy loads, such as when towing, climbing hills, or carrying passengers. This can lead to reduced torque, sluggish response, and difficulty in maintaining speed. 15. Limp mode activation. Some modern vehicles may enter limp mode when the ECU detects a faulty crankshaft position sensor. This is a built-in safety feature that limits engine power and RPMs to prevent further damage. If your car suddenly loses acceleration and stays in a restricted driving mode, the CPS could be the issue. 16. Increased engine noise. A failing CPS can disrupt ignition timing, causing irregular combustion, which may result in knocking or pinging sounds from the engine. These noises can indicate inefficient fuel burning, which can cause long-term damage. 17. Dashboard warning messages. Some vehicles display additional dashboard warnings when the CPS fails, such as engine power reduced or service engine soon. These messages are a clear indication that the ECU has detected a serious issue affecting engine performance. 18. Frequent backfiring. A faulty CPS can cause erratic spark timing, leading to engine backfiring. This occurs when unburned fuel ignites in the exhaust system, creating loud popping sounds and potential damage to the exhaust components. Conclusion. A failing crankshaft position sensor can severely affect engine performance, fuel efficiency, and drivability. Recognizing early symptoms can help diagnose the issue before it escalates. If replacement is necessary, addressing the problem promptly can prevent further engine damage. Regular diagnostics and maintenance can ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and reliably for years to come.